we gotta put them in the bucket.
Yeah, look, it has a little baby head.
Wow, look at that big one.
No. Ta-da! Aww. Daddy. Look, this is a Danny bigger one.
It's a big one. Wow, put it in the bucket.
Some stuff will go out here. Think I feel something. Look. Yeah, Danny.
Alright.
Whoa. Stop! I got that.
Don't pull them apart though.
What? We got some really weird potatoes.
Yeah, wow. Push, Jonathan, push, help.
I can do it.
You can do it, Jonathan. Come on, you two.
Wait, I can do it. Oh, look, it goes to two.
Good job. So far, this has been our best crop. We had some purple potatoes, but we didn't get too much of a crop out of those. We only got about half a 5-gallon bucket. So, got some soft ones that were up towards the top of the soil. We're just throwing them in there, but the majority of them are nice and firm.
Black potato! Black potato!
Put them in the thing. You're eating them? Weirdo. So this is a bucket. Kind of a mix. We got some purples and then some golds. And some golds. So the golds came from some plants we had that just sprouted up in our garden from last year, and we just let them grow to see what we would get, and we got quite a few. We maybe got about 3 pounds of golds and about maybe 1.5 pounds of the purples, and this was the purples we harvested, yeah, 1.5 pounds from 6 bags. So 1.5 pounds of purples from 6 grow bags. And these are the red fingerlings. And this is almost a 5-gallon bucket full. And we've pulled 6. Yeah, we've pulled 6 plants now, 6 bags. So 1.5 pounds of purples from 6 bags, and it's probably almost about 10 pounds or so of the fingerlings from 6 bags. So definitely a better crop this year from growing in the grow bags. So we're definitely going to hold on to this variety because they definitely produced. We'll see. I think we still have 2 more bags of the purples, but we're gonna think of something else. Possibly a replacement crop for next year, or just another spot to plant these to see if they'll yield more. But that's kind of where we're at right now with our potato harvest. So this was the last pot. I thought maybe it was the last pot of purple potatoes, but it's not. It's the fingerlings. So yeah, the purple potatoes did not do good in the grow bags this year. All right, so here we have it, our full potato harvest. We were hoping for more, but we got more than we did last year. We got our gold potatoes, which sprouted from the garden. This was all, we called these free plants. These came up in the garden from last year. So that was just kind of nice. We tried 2 new varieties. We did these purples, which are Huckleberry Gold, and then these fingerlings, the Cecile fingerling. We planted them in 10-gallon grow bags. The Ceciles did really good in that. I want to say we got about a little over 10 pounds of the fingerlings and maybe 1.5 pounds of the purples. So definitely a success with these. We're going to stick with this variety. We're not too sure we're going to stick with this variety since we obviously didn't get too many of them. But like I said, it's definitely better than last year's harvest. I think we only got not even a 5-gallon bucket's worth last year, and we only grew golds last year. So, you know, like tripled that. Yeah. So happy with the harvest. It was fun. It's the little ones, they love this part of the harvest, is the, you know, doing the potatoes. So we'll be doing our pumpkins next. Those are still producing. And while we were doing this harvest, Beth was doing our tomatoes. We had a bunch of ripe tomatoes that she pureed, and she canned those. We'll put a video out on the pumpkins, and thanks for watching.